In this video, we are going to look at a new transaction which has been introduced. We go to section USMM. Okay, we're heading transaction USMM. You come to the screen. So all these options are the options above are same as before. Okay, the new option is rule-based classification. Basically, okay, you execute that. So here what you need to do is you need to define rules. Okay, let's say you have developer, employee, professional user. Define those user types. Let's say, how do we define developer? Okay, click on the developer and authorizations. Okay, so we can assign authorizations for a developer. For example, in this case, we are saying that a developer will be using s_develop activity 01. That means he is a developer. Okay. Next, we can also assign a role to him. Okay. So here, so we just basically, this is a sample role. So we can assign multiple roles here based on, so which will classify him as a developer. Okay. Then user attributes. Okay. In this case, you can say, hey, if the user belongs to this user group, he is a developer. Okay. So that's one more option available. The last fourth option is basically you can say that if these are transactions being used, then he is a developer. Okay. So now you have the flexibility of analyzing your user base based on authorizations, based on roles, based on user groups, based on transaction usage, transaction executions, or use or assignment. Okay. So all these options are available for you. So this will help you to identify specific users belong to specific user types. Okay. So next, in the next video, we will cover the how to define a professional user. One of the things you need to make sure you have is all the objects and all the transactions which will be used for a particular license type. So that if you need help with that, please send an email. Click on the link below and send an email. So we'll help you identify the transactions by license type. Thank you.